Hello you guys and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Simple Story Saturday. I am going to play with, this is actually a citrus twist kit from a while ago. I can't remember what, but it was very travel themed, so I'd stuck it in one of my vacation layouts or albums to use. And I saw that there was a lot of Simple Stories Farmhouse, which I loved. And then there's this one Simple Stories Howdy in here. It's also 31 Days of Cut Files, so I figured we're gonna play with the cut file today. This beautiful Explore with a globe. And I have ideas to add Ticket to Explore because I have this fun photo of my son with his ticket to get on the train. So I've got it cut out in this blue cardstock that came in the kit. Oh, here, I can just do this so you can see it better at least. So I'm going to get to backing this. This is a beautiful, is this are we on Lori Whitlock week? But we're going to back this cut file, and I'm going to trim down my photo, and we're going to make a fun page using mostly these Simple Stories papers, and then some fun embellishments from this travel kit. So let's get started. All right, this globe turned out super cute backing it in those photos. I realized after the fact I backed this section when that should have just been like a see-through thing. Whatever. It's going to mostly get covered up by the photo, so I'm not too worried. I thought actually just to keep, since it is Simple Story Saturday, and this is a Lori Whitlock, by the way. I did confirm it is Lori Whitlock. I was so confused. There's been a lot going on. To continue with the Simple Stories theme, since it's Simple Stories Saturday though, I would use this Simple Stories paper as my background, but I think it needs to be broken up a little bit, and I think I'm going to use, I conveniently cut my cardstock out in the center. I think I'm going to trim down a little bit and so I can have a little blue border. But I think I'm going to go ahead, and I have all these lovely stencils I recently got that I haven't used from Sandy's shop, Paper Reflections, but they're all just, they're too much for what I want to do, and so I think I'm going to do my old Sandbade. This is one that I use a lot, and this one is one of, it's just a nice texture. It's like a nothing, it doesn't really show anything, like isn't themed or specific or anything. So I really like this one a lot for some reason. I don't know why, but I need to do something behind this to kind of brighten it up a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and trim down, and we're going to put some texture on. And I think I'm going to glue my photo on right now, actually. And then I think we might pop up this entire cut file and photo up off the ground or off the page. And I think we're just going to put him right here. And I need to trim this. So I'm going to back this with foam as well, which needs to be done. I'm going to trim this a little bit off the bottom here. So I'm going to trim down, and then I'm going to use this Velvet Paper Glaze in Winter Snowfall. It just goes on so buttery. It's a little tiny shimmery, but it'll just add a little bit to the background going through this stencil. So I'm going to start doing that, and I'll check back in with you. And that's gonna sit kind of over here. Oh, I love that. It looks fantastic. I'm gonna do a few more places. I was gonna use the yellow alphas that were in the kit, but I thought they would blend in too much, and they're a little bit smaller of a font than I really want. So I'm gonna grab these Sunshine ones because they're really not the same orange, are they? Let's see what else. Honestly, I could use these ones. I don't know. But since we're going to a crazy pattern, let's try and use some of these because I want to use them up, and they're thicker. Ticket to explore. Should we do a ticket to explore, maybe? Yeah. Okay. Those are a little to glue. Easier to glue. This shows how many blocks I have. There's even more. Okay. Another thing I was thinking about using in these embellishments is this. I think that's almost supposed to be like a mini album in a pocket. And I think I could tuck it in here under the photo. Maybe. Maybe not. Yeah, right here. And then have this as journaling. A little journaling spot. And it's a map. Or I could save this for something else because I'm sure I can find something for that. So maybe we won't do that. Alright, not using these letters. Do I want to use this banner at all? I don't know. Let's see if there's anything in these wood veneer or these. These are all little white speech bubbles, which is super cute. I won't be using any of those, but and then we got the brads from Carta Bella. Summer that we can sprinkle around, and sunshine right on there. We've got these, and we've got these ephemera pieces. So let's look and see what there is in these wood veneer first. I'm finding things. I thought about having this here we go here, but I'm like, this is a lot of words. These little chevrons, for real? Because he's infatuated with trains, so I figured some of that would probably be good. Like, oh, these are just like white leaves. That I can really like this smiley face. I like this time for adventure, but I'm having a hard time like putting it where I think it needs to go. First, just to have something. I don't need to read it, I just need something. And another actual ticket. Let's punch the insides of these leaves out and see what they look like. I'm just futzing. Lots of futzing, so sorry. When I futz, my brain is going and I don't talk. I think I'm liking it. Even though it seems like a lot, I think I'm liking it. And then we still have these we can put around too. Let's get gluing. Okay guys, finishing touches, gluing everything down. I did grab some of those puffy stickers off as well. I'm trying to remember what day of the week this was. So I'm going to find that out, and I'm going to put a heart around it or something over here. Or a heart by it. One of these hearts and these little red guys. I want to say, though, it was like a Thursday or something. So I'm just going to put it there for now. And then I'm going to add, this circular puffy. Ooh, this one. Want to take the whole backing with it. So yeah, there you go. I enjoy playing with tons of little things like that and tucking them wherever I can. And I'm gonna put my block back on here. It needs to settle down a little bit more. But there you have it. That is my layout for Simple Stories Saturday. Lots of Simple Stories papers, lots of other things going on. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out everybody else who plays down below. And make sure you go check out, this will be in the playlist for 31 days of cut files. Make sure you go check out everybody else who's playing with the 31 days of cut files. These are Lori Whitlock. This is the last one for Lori Whitlock. So, yeah. Thank you again. Here's some close-ups. We'll see you next time.